We're here on an agreed child support review order in a suit affecting the parent-child relationship. The parties initially agreed to a child support deviation, but now the mother do not agree. Mr. Bravo also do not agree with the proposed visitation schedule. The state's requesting that the proposed order be amended. If I can state the terms of the agreed portion and take testimony.
You may.
There is one child before this court, Brianna Bravo Victoria. Her offering to evidence was been marked for identification purpose as State's Exhibit A. That's the acknowledgement of paternity.
State's Exhibit A is admitted.
Parties agreed to be made joint managing conservators. Parties agree that Ms. Victoria will be the primary parent and be restricted to live in Dallas or any surrounding county with the child. Parties agree that Mr. Bravo is to maintain the child on or apply for health insurance through his employer. Parties are not requesting retro support and no non-disclosure of their address. The court calls is billed to Mr. Bravo, and that's the extent of the proposed order, if I may call the parties.
Hold on, Ms. Wilson, and that was all a part of the original CSRP, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and so now we're getting to the contested matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you may call the party.
I call Ms. Victoria. Ma'am, can you please state your full name?
Yes, it's Anna Victoria.
And you're in agreement with Mr. Bravo having standard visitation schedule with your child?
Yes, that's the one you said every first, third, and fifth?
Yes. Is that what you're in agreement with?
Okay. I am.
And why are you requesting
Yes,
that Mr. Bravo visits be standard?
Because we had agreed on the first phone court call that we had.
Okay. And you're also in agreement with Mr. Bravo paying
And then we didn't, like, it didn't work out.
Okay. Are you also in agreement with Mr. Bravo paying guideline child support of $931 monthly beginning December 1st of 2025?
Yes, ma'am.
And just to go back to the visitation, he stated that the visits didn't work out with the standard?
Yes, it didn't work out. Whenever he was supposed to have her every weekend.
Yes.
So just how it has to be regularly.
Okay. So the visits didn't work with standard, but you understand that, well, the visits didn't work with every weekend, but you understand that standard visits is not every weekend. Is that correct?
Yes, that's how we had agreed on the 780, but he would like have her every weekend. But I prefer to have it the standard way.
Okay. I pass the witness and I call Mr. Bravo.
You may.
Sir, can you please state your full name?
Jesus Bravo Morales.
And you're not in agreement with the standard schedule with your child, is that correct?
No, ma'am.
You're requesting, I'm sorry, Mr. Bravo, so you're requesting to see your child every weekend?
Yeah, so we make an agreement, like I told you before on the other call, that
Mr. Bravo, I'm just asking, are you requesting to see your child? Okay. Why are you requesting every weekend?
First of all, because she lives almost next door to me, and then I know she's gonna go to my apartment. And second, I mean, her Ana Luisa, she go to school 3 days during the week, and then she goes to me every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday evening, and then she works Saturday and Sunday. So I prefer to have her in the morning with me every Saturday and Sunday, where she's working, to have somebody else taking care of the baby.
Okay.
Because that's my option.
Okay. You understand that the state's requesting that you pay guideline child support of $931 monthly beginning December 1st of 2025?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
You understand that the state's requesting that you pay guideline child support of $931 monthly beginning December 1st?
Yeah, I understand that the state is requiring that.
Okay. And however, you're requesting to pay $780. Is that correct?
Yes,
Why is that?
because with that agreement we make that I was gonna put the insurance with my company for the baby, and then I was still gonna have the baby Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday evening where she go to school, and then Saturday and Sunday where she working.
Okay. I pass the witness, Your Honor.
Okay. Miss Victoria,
Yes, ma'am.
is that the schedule that y'all had?
No, this week I went to school Monday, Tuesday. No, sorry. I went to school
That's not what I
Monday
asked you.
morning.
Is the schedule that he said, is that the schedule that y'all had? That's a yes or no? Which one was it?
Oh, no.
No. Okay.
Mm-mm. It
So
was,
hold on.
yeah,
Let
no.
me finish asking questions. So was this something y'all were gonna start when the order was put in place?
Mm, no, that was just gonna be,
That was just gonna be what, ma'am?
that was just gonna be on what we had agreed.
Okay, and when did y'all start doing that schedule?
We didn't, because it
You
hasn't
never did
been
the
like that.
schedule. Okay, how old is the
No,
child?
she's 10,
She's
10
10?
years old.
Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
so what has the visitation schedule been for the last 10 years?
Oh, we've just separated like a year ago.
Okay, so for the last year.
Maybe one day a weekend, she'll be sleeping at her dad's, and then she'll come back maybe like Saturday evening to my house, and then just Sunday when I work, my parents will take care of her.
Okay,
And Friday she'll stay with me, and during the whole week, yeah,
okay,
literally.
all right. Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Bravo, do you understand that if you put your child on your health insurance, that is taken into consideration when the state calculates your child support? Do you understand that?
So that's including the 900 and some dollars.
No. If you say you
Oh,
have your child on your health insurance at your job, is that correct?
yes.
Okay. So whatever it costs you to insure her,
No,
they
I'm sorry. Sorry. I haven't put her on there. I was waiting on the child support order because she have Medicaid before this.
okay. Let me
Yes.
ask Miss Wilson a question. Miss Wilson, does the order dad to cover her in health insurance?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so you were saying the reason you want to pay $780 is because you're going to cover her in health insurance. They've
Yes,
already
ma'am.
taken into account what you would have to pay for that. And it's your child support should still be $931. That's all I'm trying to explain to you, is you've gotten
Okay.
credit for that. Okay. All right.
Okay.
So I will accept the agreed portions of this order, which was part of the CSRP. I will order child support at $931 a month, and I'll order a standard visitation schedule. Miss Victoria and Mr. Bravo, do either one of you have any questions?
Um, no, so they will. Do I have any letters, any consents, or anything from here,
Excuse me?
or do we have to sign anything, or this is like what we signed like in the past?
This is, the hearing will, since we've put this on the record, you do not have to sign the order. If you would like to sign the order, the Attorney General's office can send it to you in DocuSign, and you can review it and sign it. But that's up to you.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, they're just a question. Thank you.
You have any questions, Mr. Bravo?
So we're not gonna respect the agreement that we have for 780 before the one that we signed, right?
What do you mean, respect the agreement? Mrs. Victoria is not agreeing.
So all that matters is what you said.
What do you mean? What did you say, sir? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
So that's what the matters, whatever she said.
Whatever she said, sir, she says she doesn't agree to that. It
Okay.
doesn't matter what you agreed to before, she doesn't agree to it now. Okay?
So how is gonna be the visitors for the baby, the 15 and the what?
I'm not understanding your question, sir.
So the visitors for the baby, how is gonna work?
The visits are every first, third, and fifth weekends of the month from 6 p.m. Friday to 6 p.m. Sunday. There are also provisions for all major holidays, Mother's Day and Father's Day, the child's birthday. Anything that they thought you guys might disagree on, they put in the schedule. If the two of you can agree on how you see the child, you don't have to follow the schedule. Otherwise, you have to follow the schedule.
Okay.
Okay. Now that I've made my ruling, you have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. If you don't like my
So I
ruling,
can still
sir,
so I can
hold
still
on one
appeal.
second. So hold on one second, sir. You have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. If you don't like my ruling, if you think it's not fair, or you just don't agree. Yes, this is out of the 303rd District Court. That's Judge Laditra Atkins. She might have a different opinion from mine. Now that I've given you that information, do you have any questions?
So I can appeal, right?
Yes, sir.
So how can I appeal?
The Attorney General's office can send you instructions, sir.
Okay.
Do they have a proper email address for you?
Yes.
Okay, then they can email you the instructions. Okay,
Okay.
if there are no further questions, thank you both for appearing here today, and you're both free to go.
We are here on a non-agreed child support review order. Before we begin, I just want to inform the court that your name does appear in the long signature block of the establishment order in this case.
The reason that is significant is because I used to work for the Attorney General's office. If either one of you does not feel comfortable with me hearing this case, I can send it to one of my colleagues. But I did not sign your order. I do not remember you. I do not remember anything about this case. So I will start with you, Mr. Gonzalez. Do you have a problem with me hearing this case?
I do not, Your Honor.
Okay, and you, Ms. Martinez?
No.
Okay, then you may proceed, Mr. Tyler.
Thank you, Judge. If I could just begin by calling the mother.
You may.
Ma'am, would you please state your full name?
Yes, my full name is Karen Medella Martinez.
So you and Mr. Gonzalez participated in a negotiation conference with someone from our office on September 30th, and an order was prepared that day, which you were in agreement with and signed, correct?
Correct.
And are you still in agreement with that order and asking that the court enter that order today?
Yes.
I'll pass the witness, Judge.
Okay, you may call your next witness.
I'll call the father. So would you please state your full name?
Omar Gonzalez.
And you were not in agreement with the child support amount that was included in that proposed order. Is that correct?
That's correct, sir.
And you are currently making $33 an hour and working full time, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you understand that the proposed child support number of $883 is the guideline number based on your income.
Yes, sir.
And you are asking that the court deviate from that guideline amount. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And why is that?
Well, sir, there's a couple of factors. I have her on my insurance, both medical, dental, and vision. I also have a really high mortgage payment, a couple other bills. I do see her and pick her up every weekend. I do get her whatever she needs. Anytime it comes to her going to the dentist's office, I always go half on that, make sure that's paid. I go on everything with school supplies. I'm just asking for a little relief on that amount. And I have offered Ms. McDillon several different amounts between 600, 650, 700, which I think is fair. That's all. I just wanted to be heard on this matter.
I'll pass the witness, Judge.
Then I will confirm the non-agreed CSRP as is. That means the child support will be $883 a month, Mr. Tally.
Okay, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mr. Gonzalez, I'm just one of those people that does not believe in deviating. You haven't given me a legal reason to deviate, so I'm going to order the child support as is. But now that I've made my ruling, if you don't like it, if you don't agree, if you think it's not fair, you have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor. I do have one question.
Yes.
Does the formula for the amount matter depending on the visitation? If you see her every weekend, every other weekend, does that factor cost or not?
It does not. It could, but it really does not. What kind of visitation schedule is attached, Mr. Tally?
This is a modification order, Judge. I would presume standard was attached to the original order, though I'll admit I didn't look at that.
Okay, so if you have a standard of visitation attached, but you say you get her every weekend, that
Yes, Your Honor. This is a very old case.
it could be true that you get her every weekend, but I could deviate tomorrow and you could stop because there's nothing in the order that says you get her every weekend.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor. I just wanted to know that information.
Okay. All right. Do you have any other questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
You have any questions about the appeal process?
No.
All right, then thank you both for appearing here today, and you're both free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. You're welcome.
We are here today to add the child, Emma Zaleke, to the case, Judge. The agreement finds that Mr. Alamu is the child's father and he has a duty of support. The parties are in agreement today to be appointed joint managing conservators of the children, with the mother, Ms. Asefa, as the primary parent. She will have the exclusive right to designate the primary residence of the children within Dallas or contiguous counties. Parties also agree to a standard possession and visitation schedule. The agreement includes a child support judgment against Mr. Alamu in the amount of $3,339.30 as of November 5th, 2025. And he shall pay that at a rate of $50 monthly, beginning December 1st, 2025. And Your Honor, that is after a release of $24,040.70. The mother judge will be ordered to maintain the children on a government medical assistance program moving forward, with parties agreeing that father shall pay cash medical support in the amount of $125 monthly beginning December 1st, 2025. Parties are ordered to pay half of all unreimbursed medical expenses. Based on father's wages, parties agree that he shall be ordered to pay guideline child support of $816 monthly beginning December 1st, 2025. The state is requesting court costs be billed to the father, and neither party is requesting any non-disclosures, Judge, and there are no safety concerns on the case. Those are the terms, Your Honor. May I call mother first?
I have a question. Is this judgment a cumulative judgment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
You may.
Thank you. State calls mother, Ms. Asafa. What is your full name?
Elena Asafa.
And Ms. Asafa, did you hear the terms of the agreement that I stated to the court a moment ago?
Yes, yes,
Do you understand all of the terms that I stated?
yes, I understand.
And are you in agreement with all of those terms and believe that they're in the best interest of your two children?
Yes, I understand. I agree.
And do you have any safety concerns with having your home address included in the order today?
No, I don't have any concern.
Okay. And you are agreeing today to release or forgive some child support arrears that are owed to you. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
And are you agreeing to release those funds freely and voluntarily?
Yes, I agree.
Has anyone threatened you or coerced you into releasing those funds today?
No, never.
And do you understand that once those funds are released, that you won't be able to come back and ask for them later?
Okay, I will. I
And
agree.
just to put on the record, the primary reason for the release is because Mr. Alamu has made several direct payments to you, correct?
Yes,
And you understand that moving forward, he will need to pay the child support and the medical support amounts in the court order through the state disbursement system, correct?
correct. Yeah,
And you guys can agree that he pay anything above that, which would be essentially a gift, but the amounts in the order he'll have to pay through the state system, correct?
correct. Yes.
I pass the witness, Your Honor. I would like to call the father.
You may.
Mr. Alamu, what is your full name?
My name is Abera Alemu.
And Mr. Alamu, did you hear the terms of the agreement that I stated to the court?
Yes.
And do you understand those terms?
Yes, sir.
And you're in agreement that the order today will make you the legal father of the child, Emma, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And are you in agreement with all the terms that I stated and believe that they're in the best interest of your two children?
Yes.
Okay. And do you understand that you will need to pay the $125 medical support monthly payments and the child support of $816 every month through the state disbursement system, correct?
Yes, yeah, I agree.
Okay. And do you have any safety concerns on the case?
No.
Your Honor, I pass the witness. Nothing further from the state. The state is requesting court costs be billed to the father, Judge.
Then I will accept the agreement of the parties, make this agreement the order of the court, order court cost bill to Mr. Alamo. Is there anything further, Mr. Dell?
No, Judge.
Any questions from the parties?
No, Your Honor. No,
All
we
right,
don't.
then thank you both for appearing here today, and you're both free to go.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge. That's all I have.
All right, thank you, Mr. Dell.
Mercedes Maria Torres.
The intention was to serve both parties on the record and then have a order for parentage testing submitted to the court. Mr. Bowden appears before we're done here and is served. We'll do that. Otherwise, we will have to reset the matter to a later date so that we can get him served. But somebody's in the process of calling him at the moment.
Okay.
So, Ms. Torres, if you want to just hang around and see if he shows back up so we can tell you what we're going to do.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Well, I say that. Do you have his phone number? Because apparently the phone number we have on file is inactive.
As far as I know, the phone number that he last told me, the phone number that he has, if he does not have a number saved, he cannot receive calls. And that's what I told. And last time he had my kids, I had to call him through Facebook to get a hold of him.
All right. In that case, Judge, we'll just have to reset the matter and hope Mr. Bowden is either served before then or appears for service on the record on that date.
Okay, so February 11th?
I don't think we need to reset it out that long, given the circumstances.
Hold on.
Can we just do 30 days and do early to December?
That's fine with me.
Let's do December 8th.
December 8th.
Will it be over Zoom?
For now, it should be, yes, but if
Okay.
any changes, we'll let you know.
So this case will be reset to December 8th, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. for service on the other party. You have any questions, ma'am?
He was here when we first started. Is there some reason why, like, he left or he just left on his own? Or
We
you wouldn't know.
ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, I just thought maybe he was still in the break room talking to somebody because I saw his name was on here.
I don't believe he's in the breakout rooms. I just saw the breakout rooms. They've all been closed, so no.
Okay.
Okay,
All right. Thank you. I appreciate it.
you're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Judge, that is it for the day.
All right, thank you, Mr. Talley.